Hi everybody. So I just wanted to show you getting ready to make a new painting booth. So I've got my 33-gallon plastic tote. Over here I bought a bathroom fan. That'll be to vent out better than the little thing I have going on right now. I've got my multi-purpose vent kits. And I've got a new air filter. So that's about all I need. I will be starting to make my new booth soon. If it's something that you think you'd like to see, let me know, and I will film it and show you the process. I'm going to start doing a second coat of gloss on the Camaro, and I'll catch you in a second. Here we are. We're getting ready to paint the hood one more time. And then we'll move on to a second gloss and probably final gloss of the body. Paint's all shaken up. Let's do this. Okay, it's going to do nice, even strokes. There we go. And that should be, well, we'll see. I have to give that another coat, but I think that'll be fine. And let's get the car. There we go. And we get the gloss. Now that that's all shaken up, make sure there's no clogs. And we give it nice smooth strokes. Wanted to make sure I got the top that time. All right, give that a little more even. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh yeah, I'm certain this will be the last gloss coat we need. All right. I don't know if you can see that sheen going on right now. Looking pretty good. Some people, I've heard, will sand that a little bit after to take, so it don't have so much sheen on it, to make it look a little more used, I guess. Not like a brand new car off the lot. Guess it depends what you're going for. Yeah, let me put the hood back in there. I will shut this down, turn on the fan, turn on the heat, and I'll meet you upstairs. Well, here we are back upstairs, everybody, and we're gonna paint our hoses, and we're gonna paint some more pieces that we're gonna need coming up. See if we have any assembly to do. So we got 2 radiator hoses here. We got black matte. Well, the cap gave me a good fight, but I won. All right, let's get our detail brush right here. I'm just using a detail brush so we can just go around the aluminum we painted yesterday. Without getting any black on that. And then there we go. Thank you. Yeah. All right, move on to the next one. Same thing, we did the aluminum on either end yesterday. Take a sip of my marvelous Cheryl coffee. Okay, while those dry, we're going to skip ahead. And we're going to do the exhaust, rear suspension, and drivetrain. Okay, sorry about the interruption. There was a slight pause there. And we're just finishing up this underneath. And there we are. We've got size pane there. We left the pegs unpainted. I'll put that on the drying rack. Okay, we're also going to paint the leaf springs semi-gloss also. I'm just going to grab onto a spot that's not going to be painted. It's going to set on top of the axle right here. So drivetrain, we're going to not paint that part. I've got both leaf springs painted. Let me just dab that because I just noticed I missed that part. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my brush in here and we're going to grab another similar brush and get it, this guy here. And we're going to paint, oops, I'm going to paint these steel, and we're going to paint these aluminum. So let's get the steel out. That's aluminum. This is steel. Let's give it a shake. I've got the pipes all painted. Now we're going to do the shock absorbers. And I'm going to do, this part I'm going to do yellow down here. And then up top here, I'll do semi-gloss black. So let's get our yellow paint. Shake it up. Now that we have that all painted, I'm going to paint these. I am not going to paint all the way to the bottom. Let's see, I'll just find out they're going to go in this hole right here. So I feel pretty confident we can leave this whole bottom unpainted. I may just slip over a tad just to make sure, but from the fit, it seems it's all gonna go in. It won't hurt to paint a little bit on the top. So I got those painted. I said we'll do the top semi-gloss. Excuse me, semi-gloss once they're done drying. Now we're going to do the, pardon me, now we're going to do the drivetrain. For this, I'm also going to use steel, now that we got that shaken up. Dip my brush on the cap and All right, so we got that all painted. Looks good. We've got our, let me see, got our tray full of drying chassis parts, I'll call them. I learned that I'm going to put a couple decals on these. I cut the decals out of the decal sheet. For some reason, in my crazy head, I thought I could leave them both on. We'll see how that goes, shall we? I'm gonna let these soak. All right, let's check to see how these are doing. I think they're good. Yep. I'm gonna take the number that was on the sheet and slide that off. Let's get our little decal prep. Our extremely abused brush. And going to see it's going to go right here. So we're going to brush this on. Okay. I just want to hold that straight, maybe not. All right. All right, I'll take the first one. Very nice. And I'll put that there, let that decal really sit in there. And this one's going to go this way. Put some solution there. See if this will still slide. And I'm going to slide it right onto this. Whoops. There we go. Got good placement. Take our decal solution. Push that over the top. Oops. Push a little hard there. There we go. All done. Well, that's all about what we can do today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're enjoying this channel. And if you are, please like and subscribe. And sharing wouldn't hurt either. And once again, thank you. And I will see you next time.